hours?
Well, those storms that caused damage before have moved out or dissipated. A new set is going to develop later this afternoon, and we could have similar problems in some areas. High winds enough to cause damage, maybe large hail, and can't rule out an isolated tornado in some part of the mid-Atlantic. Can't narrow down exactly where, but it's going to be an active, busy weather afternoon. So let's get you into it, tell you what you need to know. We're going to start with a time lapse of the sky as viewed from the Army-Navy Country Club in Arlington this morning, just after the heavy rain passed through. The clouds kind of low and ragged and ugly looking for a while, but then they brightened up, cleared out once the warm front got through. And this is the way it looks right now. We're sitting pretty out there with lots of sunshine, comfortable temperatures, and we're going to continue to see those numbers rise. 73 degrees as we speak in Woodbridge, 61 in Frederick, 73 in Chevy Chase and Lexington Park. And since the rain began last night, look at Woodbridge, over 2.5 inches of rain, close to 2 inches in other spots like Frederick and Chevy Chase and Lexington Park. And another fresh opportunity for heavy rain this afternoon with the next batch or batches of storms that develop. The map shows the coolest numbers to the north and west. Those areas may warm up with the sunshine as well, but we definitely think that the best chance for any nasty storms this afternoon will not be out here. It'll be farther towards the Blue Ridge and especially east towards the Bay, southern Maryland, northern Virginia, and eventually over on the eastern shore as well. Temperatures widespread in the 70s at this noon hour, and the air is slightly cooler. We will see a drop off in temperatures the next few days, not dramatic, but a noticeable drop compared to the mid to upper 70s we'll experience this afternoon around the entire area. Now on the surface, we've got satellite and radar. You can see off to the west, which is coming, the cold front. Off to the east, that which went through the area, and going through the area also some heavy rain moving into the Boston area right now for the marathon. So we're in this big wide open area where there's a lot of clearing skies, and with that temperatures are allowed to rise. Few little clouds, maybe an isolated shower may bubble up in south central Virginia the next couple of hours, but clearly the biggest threat will come later this afternoon when these developing lines of storms and perhaps a new fresh line of storms develop east of the mountains later this afternoon. And when they enter into this very warm area along supported with some strong upper level winds, all the ingredients are there for the possibility of numerous thunderstorms and the possibility of some severe thunderstorms. We don't have a watch out. We're just talking on potential at this point. Storms, according to our Futurecast 3 this afternoon, will be scattered around the area. They may come in a couple different batches across the area through the early evening. I think the best chance of the threat of anything nasty ending is probably going to come after 8 or 9 o'clock tonight. We'll have a little bit of clearing to follow and back to sunshine and a bit cooler weather for the day tomorrow. Now, as far as the threats, there's an isolated tornado threat, but the biggest threats for many of these storms will be high winds and hail and also some heavy rain. So here's the story for the next 7 days. After we get through the nasty potential this afternoon, we'll have a breezy day. It'll be noticeably cooler, near 70 tomorrow with some sunshine. Another system brings cooler still numbers, 60s with rain, a possibility on Wednesday, 60%, 40% as we see it, then clearing skies Thursday and Friday, and sunshine into the weekend, just a little bit on the cool side, but definitely on the dry side.
We'll take dry and cool.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, I'll take dry and cool versus heavy storms any day.
Absolutely. Yep. All right, Doug, thank you. Okay. Officials say a cooking fire caused a huge wildfire that broke out in Southern California over the weekend. Firefighters say they're making progress containing the fire. It grew to 1.6 square miles and threatened at least 300 homes. Officials say it's about 35% contained. Coming up on ABC 7 News at noon, officials in Maryland want to get you some money back. We'll tell you how. That's coming up next. And a fashion frenzy over Target's newest line, why you might have a hard time getting your hands on some coveted clothing.